this video is about reviewing the electronic physics that we've done at the last semester. At first we did some of the basic explanations of atoms, such as the history and the energy level and the radius of the hydrogen atom. And before getting into the actual quantum mechanics and semiconductor, we learned about the wave and particle duality and Schrödinger equation. The key point of the Schrödinger equation was that the sum of kinetic and potential energy equals to the total energy that the electron has. And then by using all those concepts that I said before, we made the EK diagram, and we also we learned about some of the energy band, and then the recombination and generation. And then we learned about the doping system in the semiconductor. There was p-type doping and then the n-type doping, and by using those things we did the density of states and the velocity of the carriers, and then the concentration of the carriers, and by multiplying the Fermi level and the density of the states, we actually calculated the actual number of the carriers. And yeah, there was the part 1 of the actual electronic physics 1. And for the next step, we learned about the p-n junction. At first we did some structure, and then the energy band of the p-n junction, and we also learned about some of the phenomena when the plus and minus bias is applied to the actual p-n junction. We also know that there was a empty space between p-n junction, and that was we called that the depletion region. And we also did some kind of the calculating when the biases are applied to the p-n junction by using the Excel. And we also did the Zener effect and avalanche, and lastly the junction capacitance. And yeah, I think that's about it for the review, and